I'm Karen, and tonight we're going to make chicken Parmesan, but we're going to make it in our Instant Pot, and we're going to make it a little bit less unhealthy than normal because we're not going to bread our chicken. And so what we're going to do though is brown it first in our Instant Pot. So what I've done is I've already added my olive oil and had it on saute mode for a few minutes. So it's probably going to say hot in just a second. So, yep, you can hear it. So I'm going to go ahead and brown it on each side. And what I did, my chicken breasts were kind of large, so I filleted them and cut them into smaller pieces. I'm going to stop the video here, and after the chicken is done browning on each side, I will pick back up and show you what to do next. Okay, what I ended up doing was browning half of it, just a little browned, and removing it, putting it on the plate, and then browning the second half. And the reason is because I'm making a double batch. And then I put it all back in and turned the pot off. It's still sizzling, as you can hear, because the next step is that I'm going to add all of the rest of my ingredients except the mozzarella cheese, and then we're going to close the pot and cook it. So the first thing I add is the Parmesan cheese, and we're adding a cup. Then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of butter, and I've cut them up into pieces, and I'm just going to drop them in. And then we're going to add 45 ounces of tomato sauce, and I mixed in a tablespoon of garlic powder. Now, we do not mix this once we pour it in here. We're pouring it on top, and the reason for that is because tomato sauce will burn to the bottom of your pot, and you will get a burn notice if you mix it in. So it just needs to be poured on top. Then you're going to close your pot, close your vents, and we are going to set it to manual, and we are going to increase it to 12 minutes. Normally you would cook chicken for less, but I have so much chicken in here that I don't want it to be underdone. And while that's cooking, we are going to cook our noodles on the stove, and I am making whole wheat noodles. And when it is finished, we're going to quick release the pressure. So normally with meat, you would do a manual release, but this time we don't have to because we already browned it and all of that. So we're not going to wait for it to continue cooking. I hope you enjoy, and I'll post a picture at the end. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.